The Outly interactive map now includes an advanced search capability. On the home page, when you search for a fishing, camping, or Trails and Roads activity, the results include the closest matches for location or points of interest. Once you're on the Outly interactive map, then you can also search for features from the whole catalog of Outly's map layers. The results are prioritized based on the area you are viewing on the map. You'll see the list of returned search results in different categories in the left pane. Places have cities, towns, and points of interest. Land includes Outly land features such as national forests or state parks. Trails and roads have the features searchable by road or trail number or name. The camping section includes campground names from the Outly camping layer. And hunt units have Outly hunt units by unit number or name, including the state where the unit is located. When you select from the search results, the map will pan and zoom to that spot and drop a temporary pin at the resulting location for places or land features. For trails and roads, camping, and hunt units, it will enable that feature, highlight it on the map, and show the details in the left pane. Clicking the back arrow will return to the list of results, and clicking the X will clear the search results and exit the window to show the full map. That wraps up this brief overview. Hopefully you can use the search feature to find some new places to explore. We'll see you out there.